Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your speaker Harman Kardon from the application. You have to start by opening the application and now click on your speaker, so you could be in a favorite, and if you have it here, so click it here, or you can go to devices and click right here. After that, click at the settings icon at the top and scroll down. Right here in the last line we have remove device, click on it and click remove again. And did we have it? Yeah, and we just remove it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!